Hello everyone, my name is Rans Brendan D. Gabor and I will be presenting to you my project entitled Wealth Weaver. My project is a finance web application mainly using HTML, Bootstrap, CSS, JavaScript, Python with Flask and some other libraries, and SQLite 3. The motivation for this is I always wanted to create my own finance tracker. So let's get started. First, you will have to log in. But if you don't have an account yet, you can press this button here on the upper right corner. After logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard, which shows the summary of your financial status. Shown here is a visualization of your expenses using a line chart. You can also modify this by clicking on the buttons here in the left. Below is a summary of the aggregation of your expenses, and if you want to check your account balance, you can press on this button. Now for the transactions, in this section you can add transactions or delete, and you can see all of your previous transactions here. Let us try adding a transaction so that it will be reflected here in the spend today. Let us add a new category, lunch, 90, and select the day to day. Description, I can include chicken, and then press add. Now it has been added here in the transaction history, and because the list is ordered by the transaction date, wherein the top rows are the most recent ones. You can also press in the delete buttons here, which is the trash bin icon. Now we can head back to the dashboard, and you can see that the spend today has been updated because of the newly added transaction. You can also change your account, change password, and log out. So that is all for my project. Thank you for listening to my presentation.